Today we are putting up fence for the alpacas, and we are painting this shed barn.
It makes me feel good as a person, and it helps the lady on the farm help get it back up and running. I mean, I got a little bit of paint on me, and they're getting all paint on their faces, so it's pretty funny.
I got the stain on the white part.
We got more than enough of these things.
Trevor, hold it tight.
What do you look like I'm doing?
Hey.
Smile, Dylan.
Dead. Big leak.
I know. But the flap's gotta be on the ground. So someone.
What are y'all doing today?
We're scraping the paint and sanding the tables and then repainting them so that kids can eat here for lunch and stuff.
What is the importance of all giving back to your community?
I think when you give back to others, it fills you up. You know what I'm saying?
Why are you just like scraping?
We've all just been laughing and hanging out and having a good time.
know y'all were back.
What are we doing today?
We are helping spread mulch around like Monticello parks and playgrounds.
We're going on an adventure. I'm just the guy with the rake.
What's something fun that you've done today, Jacob?
I saw Carson Botkin step on a rake and hit her head.
I stepped on it and it went pop.
Right now I'm mulching this flower bed. We just did the playground and now we're trying to do some detail work over here.
Are you guys having fun here today?
Having a blast. I love hands-on. It's
Hands on, literally.
Literally hands-on.
There's lots of cute little dogs running around, and I saw a really cute one that Elias told me I'd never see again, so.
I'm shocked you didn't say hitting yourself in the face with a rake.
Okay, well we can stop talking about that.
What you doing here?
We're spreading mulch out by the clubhouse. We're laying mulch down on the flower beds, and we just got done laying mulch down at the playgrounds.
Awesome!
Yeah.
But
Ace Hardware, sponsor us.
Yeah! Yeah!
What are you guys doing today at your job site?
We're picking up trash from this Fletcher's class because it's pretty trashy out here. Not a lot of trash, so we got to pick it up. We're doing it for the community.
What is something fun that has happened so far today?
So I found a big piece of paper. It was like a schedule for the school, and I found confetti. I found like a bunch of confetti.
I found this like huge fork that was like really cut up and stuff, and it was really big.
What are you all doing today at your job site?
we're here today with Miss Hagen's class, and we're helping the community by spreading mulch, changing the world one day at a time.
What is something fun that has happened so far today?
So, I got to use a wheelbarrow, got to scoop some mulch, got here to be with my girlfriend and whatnot. Just having a great time today. Just, trying to make my community a little bit better and whatnot. So, I think that's one of the best things today for sure.
What do you notice today about the students here volunteering at this school?
Well, you can see they're all really working hard, and they're all really willing to help the members of their community with Interact Club.
What made you come out today?
Well, Interact Club is a subsidiary of Rotary International, and so our really big fundraiser every year is Rise Against Hunger, which will be next month, toward the end of the month, and that's been a very international project. So it's really nice to do something that's much more localized for our community, specifically our Fluco community.
Hands on Flucos!
I was going to bring my
So today at the job site we are putting mulch in new plots, and we're weeding, and we're spreading gravel. It's really important to give back to the community because I've lived here all my life, so it's cool to see us grow up in the community and then finally give back to it.
It's hard work, it's not easy, it's pretty difficult. The rewards are little, so to see them out here is fantastic.
Today we'll be working on hole 10 at Pleasant Grove Disc Golf Course. There's a lot of water on the tee pad right now, so we got to move it up.
So the volunteers we have here today are really interested in helping develop the disc golf course here. They're here to help out and pitch in and make this place more playable for everybody. So they definitely have a helpful mindset and a helpful attitude towards making this place a better place to play.
I like coming in and volunteering and cleaning stuff up so that it can be nice looking and people can come through, and instead of being like, oh man, this place sucks, and be like, oh man, this place is so beautiful, you know?
We are mulching the dog park and spraying it around so all the brown is even more brown.
The volunteers here from Fluvanna County High School seem to be eager to work and eager to be outside, and they're a huge help. It's nice to be able to have somebody help us mulch the dog park.
What's giving back to my community is that my community, it is helped from my actions. The dogs and the people will enjoy this beautiful mulch scene, and yeah.
Coach Pace, what are you all doing at the job site?
We're spreading mulch for the county around the courthouse and other places.
What is the importance of giving back to the community?
Just it's where we live, right? They provide a lot of things to us, so we might as well help give back.
I know the day just started, but what's fun that happens?
Together. Guys already having a good time being together. Yeah. A little team bonding, and giving back, and getting out of the school building helps a little bit too.
All right, what are y'all doing at the job site today?
Today we are cleaning up leaves, breaking mulch, pretty much cleaning up the flower beds, and we're dumping all the leaves into the woods, cleaning up the school board office, making it look more presentable and pretty aesthetic. It's important to give back to our community because our community gives so much to us in general. And these people at the school board have planned so much for us as students, and it's good to give back to them especially, and just to help out our community since we do live here. We need to respect it and take care of it.
I'm using the backpack leaf thrower.
What are you all doing today in your job site?
So we are making a Mario Bros balloon arch, and it's gonna go over the doors, and then we're making a obstacle course. It's gonna have a racetrack and Mario Bros characters in the middle, and kids are gonna be able to use bouncy balls and go around it.
Okay. What's important about giving back to the community?
Just being able to give back to the different organizations that have helped us grow up in this county. So the library, I know we've all been here before and used it as a resource. So it's nice to just leave our mark before we leave for college.
Okay, and what is something fun that has happened so far today?
We've been blowing up the balloons, and then I keep letting go of them, and they just fly everywhere, and they hit Isaiah in the face. So it was really funny.
We are shelving books, and we are bringing book fair flyers to classrooms, and what else do we do? We are bringing classrooms here to get books, to check out books. It's important to give back to our community because it helps everyone else learn and get what we do for Hands on Fluvanna, and it helps us help the community
I think an importance of getting back into the community is really getting out there and helping with the students and making a good environment for us, just like we have when we were growing up. Walking and delivering papers was really fun because we got to see all the classrooms that we had when we were little.
About the volunteers who are working here today for Fluvanna County High School.
They're working really hard. We're really happy to have them here. I'm that.
They are. We have lots of different tasks. The librarians here at Central have done a great job preparing so that our students could. They are putting up posters and they're dusting and they're
straightening
shelves and checking out books to students.
When played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together.
Today, for Hands on Fluvanna, our group is spreading mulch around Carysbrook Sport Complex.
They give us a lot of things, so I think this is nice for them to have a break and for us to give a few things for them.
Something fun that's happened so far today was jamming out to Taylor Swift on the ride here.
Currently, we are cleaning out the dog kennels. We are cleaning up the straw that was in there, cleaning the beds, dumping all the straw, making sure that, and then we're gonna put new straw in so that the dogs are comfortable and happy and having a good time.
I think it makes us all feel like members of the community, makes us feel like we belong, teaches us some leadership skills, and gets us out of the classroom. It's a beautiful day out here today. It's great.
We haven't been here super long, so nothing extremely fun has happened yet, but supposedly we get to pet some kittens this afternoon, so I'm super excited for that.